This is how to properly harvest and prepare your garden herbs for drying and for cooking. So in this particular case with this rosemary, you're gonna wanna look for longest possible growth on all of this. So in this case, we're just gonna kind of go through, we're just gonna shorten it up a bit. I'm gonna cut one at a time. We're gonna keep taking it down. Once again, we're gonna cut as close to the core or the crotch as humanly possible and keep going with the long ones. Basically right now we have the perfect amount to tie off to get ready to dry out and to prepare them for cooking. So we're gonna start with that amount there. For this, I'm going to use this garden yarn, basically this really, really simple green garden yarn. Use your pruners to cut that. You're going to basically clutch everything at the base. Try to get everything even, so all your cuts are gonna basically be in the same spot here. You're going to first put this garden yarn around. We're gonna take our clothespin and we're going to basically tie the clothespin inside, and then by tying that inside, we're going to be able to place this later on any line that we want. So this is going to be for our drying line itself. So if you can, move the yarn back, pull the clothespin somewhat tight. Now once you have it, tie it there at the base. I like to make a cute little bow because I am a diva gardener. The dry time will depend on what kind of herb it is, and the dry time will also depend on what your setting is. If we're talking about drying these out in the sun, probably shouldn't take more than 2 weeks to fully dry these out to get them prepared. If you have to dry inside your house, for whatever reason, probably will take more like 3 weeks depending on what the setting is. So basically, you've got your bow here, you've got your clothespin here, and that is ready to dry and prepare for cooking. Are you looking for more product advice and wisdom from me?
Or me?
Or me?
Hit that subscribe button or head over to thedesirecompany.com for more classes, how-tos, and reviews.